You need to go. Welcome back.
What was that? What was that? Go on.
Wait, you mean like start over? Or
No.
oh.
Dingus.
Oh, dingus. So as you can see, we have Ted here. We're gonna do a product review. Because this 10 out of 10, do not recommend. So we got it delivered from Amazon. The box came crumpled up. It was horrible. It was very squished. And then I got him that I didn't want, which I get it. It's a blind box. I know you don't know what you're gonna get. But this Ted, what's wrong with his face? Do you see his face? Y'all, look at this. It turns. I can pull it out. Anybody seen this before? Anybody have one of these? I don't recommend getting one. What do you think?
I don't like it.
Well, I know that.
Oh, it doesn't even look like Ted.
I mean, look at his little eyebrows.
It's supposed to be lowered.
I don't know. I'm not very happy. This one is not one that's cute. I mean, he's posable.
No, this is an L.
Hmm.
Popmart, do better.
Yeah, the quality of this one is. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ooh.
Bye-bye.